Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today. I am officially a Poochiez Nails brand ambassador. And so, as a welcome gift, Poochie sent us a huge gift box full of goodies. So, today we are going to unbox my gift box. Okay, so here's the box. It's huge. Let me stop being goofy. Okay, so let's see what's inside. I gotta cut this open. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright. We got a little note here. Dear Tamara, congratulations and welcome to the Poochiez Nails family as a brand ambassador. We are very excited and looking forward to all the great things we will do together as a team. At Poochiez Nails, we believe in quality, innovation, and hard work, and we see that in you. We will grow together and serve as a support system for your professional development. Your hard work, dedication, and professionalism have led you to this point. We encourage you to keep growing with us and allow us to see you as the rising star that we know you are. That is so awesome. Thank you, Poochie. All right, so let's see what we have. All right, I've got drill bits. Super dope. All these items, you can find them online at thenailartboutique.com. Awesome. We've got chrome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this stuff on my clients. Oh my goodness, this is so awesome. All the brushes. This is so dope. Oh my goodness. It's like a kid in a candy store. Oh my goodness. I have pearls. I've got beads. Oops, wrong way. Got beads. So dope. Here's the pearls. Oh snap. We got some bling bling. My clients love this stuff. Oh yes, I've got a mask. Oh, I think I have all the masks. All right. I'm not mad at it. There's another one. I got some acrylic powder, Poochiez pink and light peach. That light peach is so bomb. I can't wait to use the pink as well. Okay, I've got some well, growing up we called it finger condoms, but I know that's not. I know that's not Poochie's name for these, but I need these so bad. Oh my gosh. This is the bling gel and all the nail art gels. Can't wait to use all this stuff. Oh my goodness. Forms. I am in need of these. I'm going to be sculpturing all kind of sets. All right, we got some nail tips. All right. Oh, yes. I most definitely need this. This is to carry tools, my portable drill. I need this. It's going to keep my stuff protected. This is going to be awesome. So I don't drop my drill. More finger protectors. Black. Alright, we got some nail tips. Oh, nail liquid. Yes. I cannot wait to use this stuff on my clients. Builder gel. Oh, gel top coat. I swear by this gel top coat. So this is the matte and the glossy. Let's see. Don't you just love this packaging? It's so cute and girly. I love it. Oh, this is actual gel polish color. I'm running out of space to put this stuff. Oh, this is to apply your chrome and your molding gel. Awesome. And that's so cute, pink and black. That's so cute. And what is this? Let's see. Oh, I think this is for my wrist. I do have on set of some carpal tunnel, so this is definitely going to come in handy. I believe that's what this is. Let me see. Let's see. Let's pull this out of here. Oh, yes. That's what this is for. Awesome. So this is to help with the carpal tunnel. And I believe these are the magnifying glasses for when you're doing really intricate nail art. Yeah. This is so dope. Look at this, y'all. So cool. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this stuff. This is the headgear with the magnifying glasses. So awesome. I do a lot of detailed nail art, and sometimes I feel like I'm going cockeyed. So these will definitely come in handy. Alright guys, thank you so much. I am so excited about being a brand ambassador, and I can't wait to use all this stuff. And I promise that I'm going to come with some more YouTube videos, and you'll see me using some of these products that I got in my fabulous gift box. Alright guys, thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share.